I want to reach out to Reggae Boys head coach, Theodore Tapper Whitmore, this evening. One coach, the new JFF president talked to you about your money yet? Him step up your money yet? But that is not the big issue this evening, coach. The Maverick is imploring you, as Jamaica's coach, to call Bayer Leverkusen forward, Leon Bailey, to the Jamaica national team for the very next international assignment. Invite him, make him turn it down. Make him agent, Craig Butler say no, Leon is not ready yet and blah, blah, blah. The Jamaican public will judge. But let it not be said, Tapper, that you as the national coach in charge of a rebuilding exercise with a core of young, born and bred Jamaican players, and you did not invite Leon Bailey. Put it on record. I think Leon Bailey could be a good addition to the team, and as the national coach, I invite you for the game against blah, blah, blah. You know the jargon. And by the way, coach, the course is now clear. Nobody can call the ball ordinary again, because Vin Blaine is here no more. But seriously no, coach, Leon Bailey is maturing well and getting more playing time for his German club, and he will play some good ball. On merit, this youth should be in this young Jamaican squad. I want gel with the core and build the chemistry. I don't know if Craig Butler and the JFF sort out them differences now that we have a new JFF president. But let us stop playing the fool. Jamaica needs Leon Bailey right now more than Leon Bailey needs Jamaica. This thing about Bailey possibly playing for Belgium not going to happen anytime soon. Belgium is a top team with lots of talented young players. And despite everything, Leon Bailey is still a born and bred Jamaican baller. So Tapper, give the youth a call. You want his number? You want his number? Call his number, Tapper. 0114